Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 18th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, we're starting off on the monthly time frame and doing the full top-down analysis. For me, I think even if you are trading like the very short time frames, like the 1 minute, 5 minute range, then you still need to pay attention to these higher roadmap time frames. They are so important to tell you the primary direction, no matter what time frame you're trading. So, anyways, I personally think that we have one, two, three waves up for W. I think this is one, two, three waves down for a X. And I think that the Aussie dollar over the next year or more is going to make one, two, three waves up for a wave Y, which I think will likely take out both of these highs, probably someplace up around the 1.82 area. I mean, the 0.82 area to finish off an A, a B, and a C of wave Y, because we need to remember that a WXY is three waves up, three waves down, three waves up, a 3-3-3 pattern. So taking it down to the weekly time frame is where you can see that we definitely do have a breaker structure, which I think really does help confirm that this is the end of a wave X and that we should potentially be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up for the wave A of the A, B, C of Y that I showed on the monthly time frame. The wave A should be a five-wave pattern to the upside, and we probably have only completed the wave one of this five waves. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I suspect that all the dollar pairs might have already ended a correction. I mean, we got an impulsive up, and I do agree that this pullback is not very big. But when you get a big turn on the higher time frames, I mean, these things do happen where you just get like an expanding ABC correction or a running ABC correction, and then it just keeps on trending up because the higher time frames have ended a pullback. And when the higher time frames end the pullback, these sort of time frames are going to do what my old mentor used to call the blasting effect on the sort of time frames, which means you would look at this and expect to see a way bigger pullback, but because it's a turn on such a high time frame, you get the blasting effect where it just makes little pullbacks and just keeps on going up. So bringing it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, this is a recognizable pullback in my eyes. One, two, three waves down A. One, two, three waves up B. It might even be a WXY, but one, two, three, four, five waves down. However you label it, I don't really care if it's an ABC or a WXY. It is a higher high wave B and a higher high wave C. So whether it's a WXY or an ABC, it's a running because it's a higher high wave B and a higher high wave C. Then we have impulsive up, breaker structure. We have corrective down. I think this move down is going to make a higher low, and I think we are potentially going to end up continuing the weekly, monthly time frame uptrend. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. This move down is definitely pretty impulsive, but it is kind of a three-way pattern. Price did go right to the 78%. Now we haven't broken back up yet. We haven't broken structure to the upside yet, so there's always a chance it could go down again. And if it does go down again, it would actually make for a much clearer pattern because then when it broke structure, I think that would help confirm that this really is the end of a pullback. Hopefully it's a wave one, a wave two, and it goes up for a big old wave three. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.